Hello, grade 5 students. Welcome to your class today. As you can see from the picture, we're talking about dreams and most importantly, California dreams. And because California is in America, the title of today's class is American Dreams. So recently in class, you guys have been learning about America. And to finish off the lesson that we are doing now, lesson 1, I'd like you to please turn your module books to page number 6. This is what it should look like. As you guys can see, it says California Dreams. And let me show you over here, California Dreams. So that is the focus. We've got 5 circles, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And in those circles, it says item 1, item 2, item 3, item 4, and item 5. What you're going to be doing there today is drawing pictures. And then over here, what you will be doing is writing. You're going to take the items that you see, and they're going to help you finish a written exercise today. Now, what are we going to be writing about? Let's have a look. Live your dreams. Much like people that moved to America and then moved to California, it was all about making dreams come true. So the idea today is that you need to use 5 things to become rich, to make lots of money. How can you do this? All right, it says, do you remember this? Now, you might not, but nonetheless, I think it should make sense to you quite clearly. What you can see here are 12 different pictures. We're looking at something like food, clothes, money, a gun, language skills, strength, a lighter, a tent, intelligence, that means how smart you are, building skills, swimming skills, and, for example, something like a jacket that will keep you nice and warm in cold weather. So actually, all of these are things that can help you survive and even be successful. Moving on to the next page of the PPT. Again, these are the same pictures you saw, but slightly bigger. And it says, this list shows items and skills. Now, number 1, items are things that you can use. Skills are things that you can do. So one is a thing that is physical, and the other one is something that you have learned or something that you can do that can help you achieve success. What it says now, using 5 items and or skills, make a plan about how you can get rich. Remember, get rich means to make a lot of money. So back on your writing page, page number 6, it says, first, draw your 5 items and skills. So you will do that here, 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 and here. Now you can see I have 12 pictures here. You can use these pictures in the circles. If you want to draw your own pictures, you can do that too. What it says next, let's change the color. Write about how you will get rich. What's very important when you do the writing today is to focus on who, what, when, where, why, and how. Let's move on to the next slide of the PPT, guys. Okay, super, guys. Let's have a look. So what you will have done by now is you will have drawn your 5 items or skills. So now on page number 6 of your module books, we need to continue your writing exercise. Today I'm going to focus on ice creams. Number one, because I like ice creams, and number two, because the weather is very warm today. So my thinking is, well, if I want to make money, I can sell ice creams to people. On your book, what you're going to need to do first is write the title of your writing. What I've written is my plan, and that's a good title because it talks about what you're going to do or what you hope for will happen so that you can make money. Okay, my first line will be an introduction. Okay, you have to tell people what you are going to sell. So what I've written here, and you guys are welcome to copy me, my plan is to sell. Now this one is my idea. So of course you need to write your own idea. My idea says regenerating ice creams. You might say, well, what does regenerating mean? Regenerating means to come back again and again. So it's a very special kind of ice cream. Once you've finished eating it, it will come back again and again. So to make this kind of ice cream, you need to have items and skills. What I've written is I must use intelligence, strength, language skills, food, and selling skills to do this. I need to be able to make the ice creams. I need to be able to tell the people why they should buy the ice creams and make them trust me so that they will buy it. Now we're going to start answering the questions. For example, who will buy these ice creams? So my answer is people that love ice cream will buy this. For you, whatever you are selling, you need to write the kind of people that will buy your ice cream. Will it be young people, teenagers, old people, or maybe for animals? You guys need to write down what you think will happen. The next one says, what? Well, what will these ice creams make people feel? So what I've written is these ice creams will make people feel good again and again. So I want you to think about, well, what will your product, what will the thing that you're selling make people feel? Will it make them feel good? Will it make them feel happy? Will it help them fly? Will it help them become smarter? You guys need to answer this question. Next one, I'm going to write when and where together in the same answer. Number one, when can people eat these ice creams? Well, people can eat the ice creams whenever. And where can they eat the ice creams? When, sorry, that should not be when. Let's just quickly change that to an R, please. Where, sorry about that. That should be an R. Wherever they like. So sometimes people like eating ice creams in winter, spring, summer, and fall. They can eat it whenever they like, anytime, and wherever they like. If they like to eat it at home, in the car, at the park, it is up to them to decide. My next question, why? Well, why will people eat these ice creams? My answer is people will keep eating these ice creams because they always come back. That's amazing, right? Ice creams that always come back. And you say, well, but what about when you want to stop eating ice cream? Well, I guess what you can do then is put it in a freezer, keep it cool, and anytime you feel like ice cream, you can take it out and keep enjoying. The final thing I'm going to answer today is how. Okay? How will this make me rich? Well, if people buy ice creams that keep coming back again and again and again, they will be very happy. So because people like to be happy, they will buy my product. Now, for example, if you have 10 million people in the world want to buy this product, even if they only paid $2 each, that would still be $20 million. Of course, I need to spend the money to make the product and sell the product, but I could still make some good money from selling this kind of product. So boys and girls, this is what I want you to try to do today. On page number 6 in your module books, you need to draw 5 items or skills. After that, you take the items and skills and you include that in your introductory sentence. After that, you need to answer who, what, when, where, why, and how. And then when you're finished, you can bring your books to school and the teacher will check to make sure that you did good writing. Boys and girls, thank you very much. This is our class finished today. Look forward to reading your writing soon. Thank you and goodbye.